Happy 11/11, everybody.
Happy
Today,
11/11.
yes, I am here with Karen Yee. I am Andrea Schulman. And Karen, can you tell us a little bit about the day 11/11 and what that means for abundance and prosperity?
That's a good question. 11/11 is considered a portal into the magic of the universe because this is a time when, we have extra connection with the universe. So this is a time for us to connect to all that is, and we can actually jump into a parallel reality of our dream life if you do it right way. So it's not really a portal somewhere in the sky, it's not like that. The real portal is actually within yourself, right? So this is a time where you have very clear connection to your higher self. So I want you to really look within yourself and meditate on it and ask yourself, how can I attract more energy of abundance? And that energy will manifest into more money, more abundance, and more fulfilling life in your external reality. Remember, your external reality is just a mirror of your internal reality.
Yeah, and we get so many questions about that. So we wanted to make sure to just mention that today because everyone always asks, what is 11/11 all about? It is a very special day. It is a very special number. And it is the reason why we've been running our promotion for our brand new 21-day abundance challenge to go through today.
Yes.
Yeah, so we've been having this challenge running for like 5 days now, right?
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah,
Yeah.
yeah.
And so many
And
of you have already signed up, and it's been
thank
really
you for
awesome. Thank
signing
you.
up. Yeah, it's been
Yes.
it's been really awesome. And today is actually the perfect day to we kind of go in alignment with the universe, right? So today is the time the portal opens, the portal closes. So as the
Yeah.
portal closes, our promotion will close as well.
Yeah. Yeah. So, I mean, you can still get it, but like it is
Mhm.
half off right now. So,
Right,
if you had been
right,
thinking
right.
about signing up for our 21-day abundance bootcamp challenge, that promotional period for the half off is going to end today. And Karen, what are some of the topics that we talk about in this course? What do we help people do throughout this 21-day abundance challenge?
Oh my gosh, we talked about so much, right, Andrea? We talked about how to get into the vibration of money. We talked about how to transcend your current reality. A lot of people feel like, I have so many bills to pay. How can I turn my reality around? We talked about that specifically. We also talked about how to silence your inner critic, the critic inside of your head that tells you you can't have money. We talked about how to change your belief. We talked about formula to manifest wealth and abundance and how to speed up your money manifestation. What else, Andrea? There's so
Oh
many
my
of
gosh.
them, so many amazing
So many good
topics that we've
questions.
yeah, yeah.
Yeah. So we really did our homework. We've gone through this process of becoming more abundant ourselves and learning how to
Mm,
live a financially free life. And coming up on this course, we really talked a lot to you guys. We sent out a lot of surveys, asked a lot of questions, and we really wanted to make sure that we hit everything that you guys wanted to know about. So it is a very thorough challenge. That being said, it's pretty easy to manage. It's you log in, you do a
yeah,
video, you do a quick activity, and you hang with us for 21 days, and you're going to see a
yeah,
transformation. So,
yeah,
if you are interested in this course, or if you've been wanting to, again, please make sure to sign up today because it is closing tonight
yeah,
on
yeah.
11/11. And of
Link down
course,
below.
we'll put the link down there.
Yeah.
We're not going anywhere. You'll see us again doing more abundance videos, but we did want to hop on today and let you know that that promotional period is ending today.
Thank you for watching and happy 11/11.
That's right. Happy 11/11. We'll see you later. Bye-bye.
See you. Bye.